so this is an update on my sanity.
Ketchup is gross.
Apparently my friends have turned into camels now.
If you still need food, please get in line to do so. This is your 1 minute warning for snack line and
Oh my
vending machine line.
goodness! What happened?
Ow!
Are you good, bro?
No.
Okay.
Immediately.
Fantastic.
No. I think she died in the hole.
How are you feeling?
Miss.
Oh,
Sir.
Good at sir. Anyway, back to you.
I like potatoes. Samaya! Go in the ambulance!
Oh my goodness.
Again,
Okay, this is getting so violent. I need to stop. Okay, you dangerous animals. Sorry. Okay, you dangerous animals. So what you just saw, it may have been ugly. It may have been ugly. But I don't know what to tell you. I'm sorry for that. But booty. Sorry. I still have some other stuff. Some other stuff that I'm working on. So, one day I made this, and it's ugly, so I'm gonna redo it. Mother, are you home?
No, it's going to
Oh, it was Ron Weasley. Okay. Don't worry, y'all. It was just Ron. So now I'm gonna redo it on this. This is this blank piece of paper, and yeah, we're just gonna do this. Oh yeah, and while I'm just doing this while this is drying, cause I'm making a better version of this, cause it has lots of brown in it, and all the colors got a little bit mixed up, and it's, in my eyes, it's now ugly. So now I'm making a new one with an actual kind of pattern. So now I will see you guys when I am ready to reveal my beautiful piece of art. Okay, so you dangerous animals. Yet again, I'm calling you dangerous animals now. This is the end of the video. Sorry that this video was so cringy. 'Cause I am the cringe queen. We all know that. Yeah, I had very, very much fun making this video, and apparently so did my friends. One of my friends, let's just say her booty hole met the floor. These descriptions, though. Anyway, I will see you guys later. I will see you guys next. I will see you guys next week when I upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and this was a spawn from hell.